Hey guys, Sam here with Yomi Hacks, and I'm here on another video, and I want to talk to you guys about the AI tool ChatGPT. I'm sure you guys have been hearing about it. You guys have seen mentions about it on social media. I'm here to show you what this thing can do. I was so shocked to see the power of these AI tools. It's amazing. But before I get started, got to make sure you guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Helps me create more video tutorials, so to provide value for you guys when you're creating content and you need to figure out some ideas on how to improve your content creation. So let's go. So OpenAI has a bunch of AI tools. One of them called DALL-E, and basically what you do here is you put in a query and it will create an AI generated image. So you can see this fish in a fishbowl here, this robot playing chess. This thing is amazing, and I'm going to give you guys some great use cases of how you can use this thing. But first, let's put in a query. So we're going to say pink cats playing on a pool table. Sounds crazy, right? And very, very far-fetched, right? But let's see what the AI tool can generate. So the AI tool now will work through its algorithm, search through its millions of databases that it's scouring to create this AI generated image. All right. So you have so many use cases as a content creator, especially if you have a blog. You use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. I mean, you can go to town with this thing, right? So look at this, guys. Pink cats on a pool table. So here's the one thing I noticed when I was playing around with it. Some of these images are a little bit distorted. They have blemishes. So you have to really play around with the tool, right? So I would say you go with the best one. So here's a feature that you can do. All right, we can actually do this again. So let's generate it again and see what it comes back with. Because when you hit the generate button again, it's going to go through its databases, like I said, of images and create that AI generated image. And if you don't like the ones that you saw, then you can always have it regenerated and see if it comes up with something different. So obviously here, you guys, you see that it came back with something different. You see that these images are still a little bit distorted. All right, so this one looks a little bit good, right? So you can kind of work with this. And here's what I would do. I would get a graphic designer to come in and edit some of these images and make it even, make it look better, right? You can make it pop. But let's just say you found an image that you like. You can go on the AI tool and you can click on variations. So it'll create some variations of one of or more of the images that you like. All right, so that's kind of the cool thing about this thing is you don't have to settle for the ones that it gives you. You can create variations, or you can regenerate the query so that it comes back with a different set of AI generated images. So like I said before, guys, you can use your graphic designer. He can come in, or she can come in and, you know, touch up the images, get rid of some of those distortions that we saw, some of the blemishes that we saw, and make something that really looks great. All right, see, look here, guys. So this is the original, and here are some of the variations. So you can see this still a little distorted, but it's not that bad, right? So here's how I would use these. As a content creator, I would use it for Facebook images. I would use it for my blog posts. I would use it for Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. I mean, there's so many things you can do with this, right? So let's just say we want variations of this one. So, you know, you can have variations on variations on variations. You're not limited to, you know, just one. So, and look at this here, a photo of, a cat submarine chimera digital art. So it's a cat submarine. So these are the kind of things that you can think of. Like I said, you're only limited by your imagination here, you know? So look at that, an astronaut lounging in a tropical resort in a space vaporwave. This is what the AI tool created. So here's the original image, and then here are some of the variations. So I like this one. So again, you know, it's not the best, but you can always have your graphic designer, kind of touch these images up. But anyway, I don't want to take too long in this video. I just wanted to show you guys how the chatgpt AI tool works, especially the image version of this tool. Let me know what you guys think. Is this AI tool something that's a fad, or you think this will revolutionize how we create content? Leave them in the comments. I'll be sure to respond. And I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.